Round 3, Anaheim, California. This is heat race action. Watch McGrath, number 15, as Lamson, number 21, gets into a shoving match with Jeff Emig. We're going to see it again. The key here is lightning fast reflexes and McGrath's unique ability to change lines. Now with this pass coming up, the Team Honda rider from Murrieta, California was set apart from other rookie riders and mere Supercross mortals. Jeremy McGrath was elevated to the big time. Kwiatkowski won the heat. McGrath gets second. Emig is going to get in one more lick as he does the bump and run with Lamson. He ended up fifth and to go to the semifinals. The field is set for the main event with the gate just about set to drop. In Supercross, riders that finish in the top 4 in a pair of heat races go to the main. Now those that miss out go to a pair of semifinals where a top 5 finish is the goal. Now the last 2 riders selected for the 20-rider main event come from the last chance qualifier. Early going of the main event, Jeff Stanton had the lead. The other end of the pack belonged to Mike Larocco, rider number 5. Now coming up, the first major upset of the season, Jeremy McGrath, the rookie, punched a hole in a low-flying cloud and passed the defending Supercross champion. Now this is the mechanics signal area. Look at that look on Dan Bentley's face. Do you suppose he was irritated with that pass? Lap number 4, Kwiatkowski, who at the end of the opening lap was in 6th place, passes Kehoe for 3rd. A few laps later, Kehoe again is challenged. This time it was Damon Bradshaw. Bradshaw made the pass. He'll take over 4th place. On lap number 11, it was Bradshaw's turn to be the victor. Lunas flashed the sign, +0. Now that means Larocco was on your rear wheel. Larocco had the adrenaline, the momentum on his side, and you'll recall Larocco was in last place on the opening lap. Bradshaw does a double. Larocco hits the triple, and the pass was made. McGrath's mechanic was feeling the juice. McGrath listened to the words of encouragement, and riding with the calm, cool confidence of a veteran, the rookie responded. It's the last lap, and showtime was born. The crowd went bananas as McGrath circled the track for the final time. Checking behind him, McGrath slowed, headed for his first ever cross-up victory. Stanton, he made the winner's rostrum for the 2nd consecutive week with a 2nd place. Who was happier, do you suppose, when this one was over? Jeremy McGrath or his mechanic, Skip Norfolk? Here are the Anaheim results. McGrath, Stanton, Kwiatkowski, Larocco, and Bradshaw. Check it out. We'll go to Bob Hanna, who was with Jeremy McGrath.
And obviously, I knew you were talented, but did you think it was going to come this early?
Well, a lot of people were razzing me about fading the last 2 weeks. Who's to say if it's going to happen again? I feel that I'm in shape. I feel the only thing that was holding me back was arm pump. And today, I settled a little bit behind Jeff, and then I just went ahead and went by. And I just stayed smooth, really. It was nothing special.
Here are the point standings after 3 rounds. We'll go to Bruce Penhall, who was with runner-up Jeff Stanton.
Jeff, you proved it last year. You didn't need to win that many races to still win the national championship. It's early in the season.
It's early in the season, but I want to win all these races, all the races I can. So still got some work to do. Young guys are riding good.